We live on a farm. We have outdoor cats, indoor cats, our huskies, and then some chickens. But that's it. I've been thinking it's time for some more barnyard friends. And today, we're taking care of just that. This pack of double-sided barnyard animal cutouts comes shipped to your door with everything you need to decorate your area and make it extra farmy in no time. Perhaps you have kids that want a play area to pretend and act like farmers. Well then, this pack is perfect. It comes with 5 chicks, 5 chickens, 5 sheep, 5 horses, 5 pigs, 5 cows, and 5 barns. All of them double-sided. Then it comes with 4 sheets of double-sided stickers. Apply one side to your new barnyard friend. Then peel off the other side and stick it to the surface of your choosing. Us, we're gonna decorate the chicken coop and make it extra farmy in there for them. First, we hung up a chicken cutout. I think they recognized what it was because they ran up to it right away and sized it up. Then we started prepping our other cutouts and they got so curious. We stuck a handful of animals to the walls of the coop and the chickens were so interested. They ran right over to the new barnyard friends, looking them up and down, and then said a friendly hello by pecking their eyeballs. I actually found it pretty funny. Multiple of our chickens are little eyeball peckers. And just the eyes too, vicious little cluckers. They had fun checking them out and tried to act tough in front of their new friends. Then after they relaxed, one of the chickens laid down face to face with the sheep and took a nap with her new friend. In the end, they had a blast and love having some new friends in the coop to play with. So if you'd like to have a fun playtime with your chickens, or set up a fun farm-themed play area for your kids, this pack might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go see which animal is our chicken's favorite. My bet's on the sheep. See ya.